The topic for this video is the fifth. Debbie, what are you doing?
Grayson said you were doing the fifth. I thought I would get the music ready for you.
Debbie, the video is about the Fifth Amendment.
Well then, you better get on with it.
Have you ever thought about what you would do if you were questioned by the police? Do you know your rights in that scenario? Well, today we're diving into the Fifth Amendment and what it means for you in 2024. Welcome back to the channel, where we break down legal jargon into easy-to-understand concepts. Today, we're shedding light on the Fifth Amendment and why it's such a crucial part of the U.S. legal system. Imagine being in a situation where you could potentially incriminate yourself with your words. Scary, right? That's where the Fifth Amendment steps in to protect you from self-incrimination and ensure a fair legal process. Let's explore why this protection is so vital. All of the Bill of Rights are rooted in protections from former government abuses. Most have heard of the legal barriers about self-incrimination. Some may know of the Takings Clause. You will have a complete understanding of this amendment by the end of the presentation. Before I break down the 5 elements covered by the Fifth Amendment, I am going to shamelessly beg for likes. If I enlighten you with something new, or if you are entertained by the video, a thumbs up is appreciated. Now, let's get to it. The amendment states, "No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on a presentment or indictment of a grand jury, except in cases arising in the land or naval forces or in the militia when in actual service in time of war or public danger." This clause prevents a citizen from being forced to defend themselves for a serious crime unless a prosecutor can convince a grand jury that there is sufficient cause to advance the charge to be tried in a court of law. If the accused is in the military forces, the grand jury requirement does not apply. The Uniform Code of Military Justice currently prescribes the court-martial process. Nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb. This is the Double Jeopardy Clause. A person cannot be tried more than once for the same offense, nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself. This is one of the rights cited in the Miranda v. Arizona decision. Nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. This prevents the government from acting on their own against the citizens that get in their way. Nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. If the government has a compelling need to take property for public use, the owner of said property is entitled to be paid fair market value. This process is often used to build roads and bridges. The Fifth Amendment has a rich history dating back to the early days of the United States. It guarantees several rights, including the right to remain silent and the right to due process. Over the years, there have been landmark cases where individuals invoked the Fifth Amendment to safeguard their liberties. Understanding this history gives us a deeper appreciation for the protections it provides. One of the most iconic aspects of the Fifth Amendment is the Miranda rights. You've probably heard them in movies or TV shows. You have the right to remain silent. These rights ensure that individuals are aware of their protections when in police custody, ultimately upholding the principle of a fair trial. The Fifth Amendment plays a crucial role in balancing the scales of justice. The Fifth Amendment is a cornerstone of the legal system, safeguarding individuals' rights and ensuring a fair legal process. By understanding its significance, we empower ourselves to protect our liberties in times of need. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your rights. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more legal insights and updates on important topics like the Fifth Amendment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.